Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora and thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, as you can see this giant question mark, I have a very special guest. This is a person that I'm just beyond obsessed with and y'all have already seen on my channel a couple of times. So without further ado,
hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Okay, I had to yell that because I had to out hi everyone his hi everyone.
I stole hi everyone from Lilly. Like I just stole it. I was like, can I have this? She's like, yeah, go ahead.
I'm like, fine. Instagram videos, I was so annoying. If you guys followed me, you probably unfollowed me. Hi everyone! Like, I look back and cringe. But when you do it, it's so cute. I don't cringe.
Okay, you guys, so I'm beyond excited to have Lilly herself here. One of my favorite videos that she ever did was with Patrick, and it was a what's in my bag video. And I love what's in my bag because I'm nosy as hell. I love to know what people carry on their everyday basis. But I was like, how do we like make it different? So we decided to pull the stuff out of our hair. So this video is what's in my hair.
I have to say my hair is really big and full of secrets.
Huge.
Some
like,
of them are secrets I cannot believe I'm gonna reveal.
She had to literally walk in and then they brought her hair in after her because it was too big for the door, you guys. Because I don't have hair anymore since I chopped it off, but I decided to wear a wig to be able to pull stuff out of.
It's so pretty.
So pretty.
You actually look really pretty pink.
I'm Gabriel Olsen today, you guys. As you can tell, this is me now. I don't know who Purple Hair Gabriel is. That's somebody else. This is me. You are now watching a different channel. My brand is different. I'm different. This is me. Is that how you feel whenever you do full glam? You're like, this is a new girl.
Not really.
Do you ever feel like it's on?
No, I do. Actually, sometimes I look like a totally different person that people don't know that I'm the same person.
Like your concierge at her place.
No, one time I was on a flight and I went into the bathroom because there was a shower and I got full glam and I came out and the flight attendant came
There was
and
a
like,
shower on your flight?
Yes. And the guy was like, oh, I'm so sorry, but this is somebody's seat.
The power of the glam.
That's okay. Okay, so what the fuck is in this hair?
Okay, so I have so many secrets in my hair, not as many as hers, clearly.
I haven't done big hair in a while, but I really wanted to bring a lot of secrets with me today.
Oh, she brought it today, my flat little hair.
No, do you guys notice how I take my photos like this when I take
Oh yeah, we were talking about the way she poses.
I'm just gonna film the whole video like this. Okay, what's next?
You guys, the fact that she did Ghalichi Glam hair, Ghalichi Glam hair. Okay, so the first thing that I like to have with me is a nice bottle of Tajin. Do you know what Tajin is?
Bitch, I'm from Houston. Of course I know what Tajin is.
Do y'all know that?
I thought it was Tajin. It's so good. Honestly, I eat it like this in my house and my dad would get so mad.
You know what
at
I
me.
do? This is how I eat it. And Nikita calls it the finger. And it's like, you and your fucking finger. I do this.
Ew! Mine is way
I love
better. But Tajin is so good.
Tajin is so good, you guys. You never know when you go to a restaurant if the food's gonna be bland, mayonnaise-y. What if one day you just get served oatmeal and it's like, wow, it can use a little bit of spice. You pull out your Tajin out of your hair and you're good to go.
Some girls keep hot sauce in their purse. You keep Tajin in your
Yeah,
hair.
because what if it like breaks and it leaks and then my hair is all like spicy and like,
No, honestly, I love this. This shit is so bomb. Okay, so the first thing I always keep in my hair are heels.
one heel.
I always wear heels, always, always, always. And I like to keep an extra pair in case of the ones I'm wearing, you know? Yeah, or like you lose one, like Cinderella, then you'll have another one, but.
Or you're wearing like Uggs and you're like, no, let me let you know who I am with this red bottom.
And I don't understand when people are like, oh, why are you wearing heels? Like if it's inappropriate for the occasion.
I mean, like if you're going to the DMV,
Oh, I wear heels.
the commitment to the fantasy is real.
So I keep heels in my hair at all times.
Okay, so sometimes like on the go, sometimes, you know, you just get a little bit down and you have to like remind yourself, Gabriel, you're on the right path. So one of the things that I like to carry is my YouTube plaque.
Oh my God, you have a YouTube plaque?
Yeah, for reaching 100,000 subscribers.
We bought this at the dollar store, guys. I didn't know they carried these.
Another one that I have in my hair.
You have, oh.
This is my American Influencer Award. So I won Emerging Makeup Artist of the Year, 2017.
Oh my God. So whose makeup do you do? There's some shade. These are both very, very well deserved. I've known Gabriel for a very long time. We're both from Houston. For those of you that don't know, we were friends in Houston way back when. And to see him work hard and accomplish everything he's accomplished, he deserves a million more of these awards.
Aw, my little Lilly Ghalichi.
And maybe one day he'll do my makeup.
Yeah, oh my God. Okay.
That would be a great
questionnaire right here above Lily's head. Should I do Lily's makeup on the channel one day?
I always like to keep just a little bubbly in my hair.
You just never know when you're gonna have to cheers.
They say that you should always have gratitude for things in life, which is so true. You should not focus on the things that you don't have or focus on the things that other people have that you want. Instead, be grateful for all that you do have. So, you know, I just like to do a motherfucking cheer every opportunity I get. So we might just have to pop this open.
So one of the things I like to have is like a little snack. So I like to have these cookies made of my old face, just to remind myself, like, Gabriel, that's the old you.
Old face?
Yeah.
What's different?
I got more lip filler, Botox, and I changed my hair.
My old face cookie. But I love this. Is
Yeah,
it
just a little
gluten-free?
snack on the go. No, absolutely not.
Okay, so the next thing in
better
my
stop.
hair is my hairstylist.
You better stop. Oh my God, you just have a hairstylist in your hair at all times?
At all times. So Jesus is in my hair.
Yes, hairstylist in my hair.
Okay, go back in there. Your turn.
So sometimes, as you know, a beauty blogger on the go, I get invited to events super last minute, and I'm like, okay, I have concealer, foundation, bronzer, I have everything, but I'm missing a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of drama in the eye. So what I like to have is, I like to carry a Lilly Lash, which you can find on lillylashes.com. That's lillylashes.com.
What a good friend.
So these are my favorite lashes just for on the go. These are Diamond lashes. You can also save some money if you use the code Gabriel.
Okay,
spelled like
we're
this.
gonna stop the shameless plug, but I am gonna ask you guys a little question right now. How many of you guys want to see the Gabriel lash? I say we make him do it. It would be amazing. It would be.
Oh my God, this might actually be a thing, you guys. This might actually be a thing. But in the meantime, we're gonna be wearing Lilly lashes
Okay.
in the style
Next,
diamond.
I like to keep.
You better stop.
I mean, you
You
never
better.
know.
Oh my God. I have a bag in my hair too. So another thing that I like to have in my hair is like touch up glam, you know, just little things to like touch up
Okay.
throughout the day. So I have 3 little things. These always fall out. So I either like a glossy lip. This is a MAC Nice Cheeks Crystal Glaze. I'm obsessed with it. Like literally, smell it too. And it's just like this gorgeous gloss. And you can actually put it on your cheekbones as well. That's actually a serious product that I legit carry with me all the time. And then also, when I do glam, if I go to an event and I'm eating something or I'm drinking something, eventually your lipstick like starts to like wear off. So I like to literally bring my own lipstick. This is the Gabriel Zamora lipstick.
I have to say I wear this all the time, so we're gonna put it on too. Is it gross that I'm using all your lip products right now?
No, it's fine.
Let's just make up.
So I was blessed with gorgeous green eyes, but the downfall with it is
Those
my
are
eyes.
Don't even listen to him.
I'm just gonna like bleep it like.
Those are.
These are my eyes. The downside of having such gorgeous eyes is they're so dry. So I have to honestly always carry clear eyes.
No, but
That's
his
an
eyes
instinct.
really are real. So this is actually something like I always have on me at all times, and I'm so nasty. But I like a casual snack too. Only instead of eating photos of myself, I eat like Persian snacks that you can't read.
What does this say? It's Farsi.
It's called Lavo Shack,
Lavo Shack.
and I'm gonna make Gabriel try some.
Okay, I'm down. This has become a little.
So it looks like a stick of doo-doo.
Yeah, it does.
They're so good.
Is this pomegranate flavored?
Yes, so it is.
I could read it right there.
Did not
I
give
read
it away. These are from Iran. I'm obsessed with them.
Obsessed.
It's basically our version of fruit roll-up.
Oh, okay.
So you can smell
Cheers.
it first.
Oh my God, I know these type of candies.
It's not candy.
Yes, it is. Is it actual food?
Yeah, it's fruit. No preservatives, no sugar, no nothing.
Wow.
It's really sour. I don't know.
Oh,
if
I
you like
live though.
it. You do?
What if I just put some tahini on it?
No, that's already so sour. Guys, this is so sour you can barely
that sour.
tolerate it.
It's literally like eating mayonnaise. It's so bland.
No, it's not.
So another actual serious thing that I legitimately always have.
Because mine was
in my
serious.
bag.
Lava Shack is serious.
She legit carries those. This is a legit serious thing that I always have with me. And that is my portable charger. This is like a legit
No, that's
one.
very legit.
It's literally from Amazon.
There's 12 cords. to go
There's
with.
2!
Okay, but what about Amazon Now?
Prime Now, the one that
2
delivers
hours.
in 2 hours?
2 hours.
Girl, I got this in 2 hours. My phone was dying.
So I'm gonna, since he pulled out something like very real, I'm gonna pull out something very real that
It took a lot.
yeah.
You know, for me to
Okay.
be really that vulnerable, you guys.
No girl is complete without a little diamonds, so I just like to casually carry some diamonds.
Is that why there's security at the door?
No, that's why he
nobody
sits
can come
here.
into. You better stop. You better stop it right now.
Okay, but I have a surprise.
What?
Because of all your success, it's a gift for you.
No, it's not.
I'm just kidding.
The last thing in my hair, you guys, it's literally the
Your
most
phone.
basic thing in the entire world. I need this at all times with me. There's no way for me to literally leave my house without this.
So he has 2 Instagram notifications, a Snapchat notification, has text messaged you 4 times, and he has 16 Grindr notifications.
You don't have to tell people what I do on my side to
I'm just kidding, I made that one up.
So that is literally everything that was in our hair. I probably have nothing left. She probably has her entire
No, I got a
bedroom
lot more
still
secrets
in there.
here. A lot.
This was just a preview, you guys. Make sure that if you did like this video and you want to see Lilly more on my channel, that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave any comments, questions, video ideas that we can do in the future with Miss Ghalichi herself, Miss Ghalichi Mir herself.
Thank you for having me. I love you, Gabriel.
Oh my God, I'm gonna get flagged for all this like shoulder.
I
showing
know,
throughout the whole
inappropriate.
video. Throughout the whole
Oh wait,
video.
I forgot.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.